So we'll be doing a tea, 15 tea flavors which I'll be trying. These are something which I've never tried before. I have my hibiscus green tea. I've let it sit for 5 minutes. This has a little soothing flavor. I like the taste. Day 3 of tea plant. Cheers to the tea experiment. Be bold, be brave, be you. Having a different flavor of tea. I mean, I've never heard of so many flavors of tea, nor have seen till this point of we are on the day 5. I have always loved the tulsi smell. So it's the weekend and the day 6 of our lemon grass ginger flavor today. It tasted just so bland. I mean, it just tasted like a green tea. Love this flavor. The Gulkand Pan is officially my favorite flavor. I just love this flavor. I think even after this tea experiment, I'll be continuing with this flavor. On the day 8 of our tea challenge, I have turmeric glow tea today. Tea is too good. I mean, I cannot decide between the Gulkand Pan and the turmeric, which one is better. Very bland. Tea tasted good. I mean, it was really soothing to drink this one. There are just 5 more days, so be with me. This tea tasted very similar to the mint one. I mean, there was not much of a differentiation in terms of taste. It has a very rich taste in itself, rich flavors and aroma while drinking it, which gives a very soothing flavor. Disappointed by the taste of this. I mean, I was hoping for something better. Last 2 days I could not record the review of the velvet vanilla and the masala chai, so I'm doing it now. Velvet vanilla tasted good, a more rich flavor if you combine that with milk instead of just drinking that with the hot water. Nothing can beat a masala chai, right guys? For all the people who asked me why I did this experiment, so many of them pointed out this as something meaningless, but initially it just started out as a fun. I was like, why not try a new tea flavor every day? But as days went on, this was something which I look forward to every day. I mean, just as something as simple as trying a new tea flavor can be your adventure. It is all up to how you look at it. And just to sum it all, my favorite tea flavors were Gulkand Pan and the turmeric tea. Next adventure. Bye bye.